Hey, good morning again, everyone. Welcome to Webinar Wednesday. We're going to be discussing and covering subscription services today. I'd like to welcome everybody. My name is Rick Clayton. I am with the Subscription Services Department here at Hawk Ridge Systems. I've been at Hawk Ridge Systems for about 3 years. So today we're going to be covering some different topics. Probably the most important things when it comes to subscription we're going to go over. There is more stuff you get with your subscription. These are the most important things you will be provided with your subscription services. The first one being the benefits of subscription service. What benefits does it cover? What's offered when you do subscribe to SolidWorks subscription? How to reach us if there's any kind of issues with technical support. How can you get a hold of us? What's the easiest, most convenient way for you to do that? New releases and service packs, any kind of special updates. SolidWorks Cam, something very new to SolidWorks, so SolidWorks Cam. Also Visualize Standard for SolidWorks. How to get back on subscription. What happens if your license expired a few years back and you want to go ahead and bring that license up to date because all the neat features that SolidWorks released in one of their latest versions versus the version you were on several years ago. And how to save money. Of course, everyone likes to save some money. How do you save money on subscription service? And then new easy ways to renew your subscription service. We want to make it as convenient as possible, the least hassle as possible for you to renew. So let's go over what's included. What are some of the most important things included in your subscription services? Well, the benefits are local technical support, both here in the United States and in Canada. We are open from the hours between 8 to 5 for all locations. So you can virtually reach us anywhere during normal business hours. Access to the Hawk Ridge System knowledge base. We offer free tutorials, online chat support, and we have over 400 videos uploaded, which you'll see a link there, and nobody has to worry about writing this down as you'll have access to this PowerPoint once this webinar is completed. So more on subscription services. We have interactive, live, real-time problem resolution via online screen sharing sessions. So if you cannot explain the issue that you're having, our technical support team can do a screen share with you, and we can go ahead and assist you with that more on a hands-on approach. We also offer free certified SolidWorks professional exam certifications, CSWP and CSWA exams. People love to have these on their resumes. These are great when you're going out, you're looking for new job opportunities, or you're just looking to achieve what you want to achieve in your current career. There's new software releases and service pack updates. So we can design faster, more efficiently with SolidWorks new releases. We do encourage people to update those service packs when they are released, and soon we'll get to a service pack release schedule so everybody has an idea of when these service packs are released. Including that too, you have access to the top 10 new features so you know what you're getting into prior to accessing that next version. SolidWorks Customer Portal. Thing I hear on the phone quite often is people don't know how to access the portal for SolidWorks. They get their disk shipped to them via media. We do encourage everybody to access that customer portal to get comfortable with it, because there's a lot of resources in that portal, including submitting service requests and software performance requests. So if you never had a login for that portal, which everybody with a SolidWorks license should, we highly encourage you to go onto that portal and just to make sure that you have all the assistance you need for these service requests. We offer weekly webinar Wednesdays, which we're on right now. and 3D Solution Spotlight webinars. Those can be found on our events on the hawkridge.com website under events for Webinar Wednesdays. And we're going to get into a little bit of support here. So how do you reach us? So we provide the leading support, we provide the industry's leading support services. Something new that we just launched was an exceptional live chat and phone support. One of the biggest things when customers have an issue with SolidWorks while they're on it is, I need to be able to access this. I need to be able to have the issue that I'm having fixed and resolved right away and continue work. And that is now possible with chat. You can actually go onto our website, click the chat button, ask a question while you have SolidWorks open on another window so we can be able to assist you. We have a comprehensive web-based resource. We have live remote access functionality, advanced file sharing, and even screencasting functionality, which allow you to send your questions or issues over visually. Again, our new chat, we encourage everybody, if you have not used our live new chat, please get on there and check it out. It's very, very, very fast. We can answer a lot of your questions to any of your SolidWorks issues virtually within minutes. And there's a chat log that's automatically sent to you for your record keeping. All you need to do is simply log into our help center and just click the chat button so you can chat with one of our technical support staff. So again, by logging into the customer portal for SolidWorks, you also get access to an extensive knowledge base where you can find even more insight into SolidWorks and CamWorks products that you use in your day-to-day environment. You can even search on words for tips and tricks and workarounds for our experts. You just need to get onto that bar, click on the search, and start typing, and it'll start autofilling for you. So now let's talk about new features, service packs, and some of the release schedule for these service packs. So the new features and service packs release dates, the new product lines that are complementary to customers on subscription. If you're on subscription for SolidWorks, SolidWorks is very, they release these to each individual person on this schedule that I'm about to show you. So the projected release dates and the new features are released October, the new versions release. SP1 is released in November, SP2 is released in January, SP3 is released in April, and Service Pack 4 is released in June, and then you'll get that last Service Pack in October when the next version is just about to be released. Now, top 10 features again, so you can keep an eye on whether or not this service pack is for me. If I want to go ahead and update this, we encourage everybody to look at the top features to see if it makes sense to update these service packs. Also, for support files, we encourage you, again, you don't need to write these links down. You will have access to this PowerPoint that will automatically be uploaded. SolidWorks recently is really proud to announce they have a couple new product lines for customers that are on subscription. And those product lines include Cam and Visualize Standard. SolidWorks Cam is integrated CNC machining in every license of SolidWorks, so that you're able to use that CNC machining in every single license. It enables common machining tasks in every license of SolidWorks. And it's included with SolidWorks Standard, Professional, and Premium only for users on active subscription. So it's very important to keep that subscription current and up to date. If you want, here's a link. You can take a look at the website to learn more about SolidWorks Cam and SolidWorks Visualize. And the CamWorks maintenance, how Cam can help you. So Visualize Standard for customers, subscription customers. With SolidWorks 2018 Visualize, you can create virtual reality content. You can import decals, you can upgrade your library, and you can do way more than that with it. they were very excited to announce that this was included in those different levels of SolidWorks. Now, included with it, SolidWorks, you get it with SolidWorks Professional and Premium, again, only on active subscription. And there's a link to learn a little bit more about Visualize and how it can help you. Again, there's videos that we have uploaded onto our website about Visualize, and the matrix to see if it makes sense to you and what level of this you would need. Expired subscription licenses. Licenses date from anywhere from a month back that are expired up to 5 years back that are expired. Staying current with SolidWorks 2018 is key. And right now, SolidWorks has a very aggressive promotion, especially with these new product announcements that they recently released in some of these versions, that customers can now save up to 50% on their fee waivers, only until the end of this year. So we got about 15 days left. If anybody does have expired licenses, we do encourage you to reach out to one of your either account managers or one of your subscription specialists, so we can go over the promotions that we're currently running, so you can have those licenses current and up to date. And if your SolidWorks license has been expired, you know, and it's not too late, you could still get 2018. 2018 was just released this last October, so you can have it on a SP0. And then from now until the end of the year, there's a fee promotion, again, to help you out with any kind of backdating fees associated with your expired SolidWorks licenses. The only thing that this promotion does not include is any kind of EDU licenses. So no educational licenses can be applied with this current promotion. So saving on subscription. The number one question that I get asked the most while I'm on the phone talking with our customers is, Rick, how can I save the most money? This is an annual expense that I need to pay every single year and pay it faithfully for the customers that are very active on subscription year in, year out. And the best way to do that is with a longer term commitment. If you renew every year, then you should definitely be taking a look at your 3-year subscription. It actually saves you about 12% and the hassle of not having to do it each and every year. So if that's something you are interested in doing and looking at, please reach out to your subscription service team member so they can get you a quote regarding some of the longer term savings SolidWorks is offering for your licenses. The average on the 3-year subscription discount, you're going to see roughly around a 12% discount for making that longer term commitment. So a couple things that Hawkridge Systems recently added to help with your subscription service and to make things a little bit easier for you is we recently added Adobe Sign. We have legal, electronic, and digital signatures. So it's easy to sign as it is to send. Simply send you an email, you open it up, you click a box, put your signature, and it sends it directly back to us so we can go ahead and process your renewal in a timely manner. We also have an auto renew option. If you're one of those faithful people that have been renewing this each and every year, and we reach out to you, and it's something that you know for sure you're going to be renewing every year, we keep your credit card on file. It is encrypted into our system, and we auto bill you the next time your subscription service renewal is due. So that's definitely something for people that are renewing each and every single year on time. You may want to look into just to save a little bit more time when your license end date comes a little bit closer. We also have paying with a credit card online. You're now able to go onto our website, pay for your subscription service renewal online. You can do it without even contacting one of our team members over here on our end. Of course, we always love to talk to you, so we encourage you to call. But if you're in a hurry and you need to get online and pay for your renewal, it's very simple to do that via the web. Well, we want to thank everybody for attending this today. We really appreciate you listening in on this. If you do have any other questions, again, you are more than welcome to reach out to either your subscription service team member or your account manager. Thank you again, and everybody have a great day.